Guys, welcome to my channel Commerce Specialist, where you'll find videos covering syllabus outcomes of various academic qualifications and professional certifications, including life-changing business ideas and concepts. Guys, I have received so many emails, WhatsApp messages and comments in my videos regarding regular mentorship and guidance for your professional qualifications. So in order to accommodate all your queries, I've been working for a long time to come up with something which best suits your need. And guys, YouTube videos are very short. I cannot cover everything in one video. So in order to cater to your specific needs, I've designed a membership platform where you can choose a membership which best suits your needs. So let me give you some details about this membership plan. There are 3 levels of membership: silver, gold, and platinum. And depending upon the level of membership, you get access to the host of benefits and rewards. Let me give you some details about the platinum membership. As a platinum member, you'll get access to members only chat area. You'll get invitation to my online Q&A sessions. You will also get invitation to my topic focused online webinars, online workshops, access to all my worksheets where there are questions and solutions on various different topics, one-on-one mentoring on your academic and professional matters, weekly focus sessions on various topics, and the class length could be an hour to 3 hours. It depends on what we are discussing. You will also get focus session on solving exam questions from the data bank. As a platinum member, you will also get invitation and access to attend my online sessions on digital income leading to financial freedom. And last but not the least, as requested by everybody, weekly focused classes. And I know most of you all will be thinking, how much does it cost? Let me tell you, the cost of all this is peanuts. Whether you are a working professional or a student, it's going to be peanuts for you. So guys, the details are appearing on the screen. The link is there. I'm also putting the link in the description. I want you to choose a membership which best suits you. Do it soon. There is a very, very special surprise for the first 30 members. The first session starts from 17th of this month. Guys, thank you so very much for your valuable support so far. I'm looking forward to see you in the groups. So guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any question and queries, put it in the comment section and share this video with your friend and family members so that others can also benefit. Looking forward to see you in the first session. Thank you so very much.